students, today we will be starting with exercise 1.4, the remaining questions of the first chapter, that is integers. In the last video I explained you the introduction about the division of integers along with the first three sums of the exercise 1.4. So today we will be starting with question number 4. In question number 4 it is said, write 5 pair of integers a and b such that a divided by b is equal to -3. One such pair is 6 and minus 2, because 6 divided by -2 gives you -3. So we have to write 5 pairs of the integers so that it satisfies the given condition that when we divide the two integers, that is any a value of any a and b, we get -3. Okay, so we have to find any pair of two integers. Now we know that we have to get the result as a negative integer, so the division should be also between one negative and one positive integer. So that is what we have to find out. So let's write down the 5 pair of integers. So the 5 pair of integers are, say the first one is 12 and say -4. So how can we say? Since we know 12 divided by -4 will give me -3. Okay, so this is one pair. Similarly, we will start writing the other 4 more pairs. Okay, the next one can be 15 and -5. As you can see, 15 divided by -5 will give you -3. So in this way you can write the other 5 pairs of other remaining 3 pairs. I'll write it down for you. Let's see this one. Now in the third pair we have -3 and 1. You can see the division of between these gives me -3. In number 4 I have taken -30 and 10, and in number 5 I have taken 21 and -7. So students, you can take any two integers. One should be negative, one should be positive, because the result has to be a negative integer, and when you divide you should get the result as -3. So you can take any pair of integers, that is such as a and b. When you divide them you get as -3. Okay, now let us move on to question number 5, the next question. Question number 5, the question is given as, the temperature at 12 noon was 10 degree above 0. 10 degrees Celsius above 0 means it's the positive temperature. Okay, the plus 11 plus 12 like that. If it decreases at the rate of 2 degree Celsius per hour till midnight, at what time would the temperature be 8 degree Celsius? So we have to calculate the temperature, at what time the temperature will become 8 degrees Celsius below 0. Below 0 means it will be -8 degree. Okay, and we have seen that the temperature given at noon, 12 noon is 10, and it decreases at the rate of 2 degree every hour. So we'll have to see the rate of decreasing for every hour, and we'll have to calculate at what time the temperature becomes 8 degree below 0, that means -8 degrees Celsius. Another question is here, what would be the temperature at midnight, that is at 12. Okay, so let us start doing this question number 5. So first we will write down what is given. Okay, now since it is a problem sum, it's very important that you write the statements. So it's 10, temperature at 12 noon is 10 degree Celsius above 0, or you can just write 10 degree Celsius also plus. Now it is also given that the rate of the temperature, it decreases, the temperature goes on decreasing at the rate of 2 degree Celsius every hour, okay, till midnight. Now see here, the temperature decreases at the rate of 2 degrees Celsius per hour till midnight, that is it goes on decreasing, so we can consider it as a -2. Now what will be the temperature at 1 p.m? If it is at noon this much, 10 degrees Celsius, so at 1 hour later what will be the temperature? We have to obviously add plus, but what is the temperature? It is decreasing, it's not increasing, so it's minus, so I have to write it as minus this. So what will be 10 plus minus is minus degrees Celsius, so I will get it as 8 degrees Celsius. Similarly, I will calculate the temperature at the next hour will be 2 p.m. Now at 1 p.m. it was 8 degrees Celsius, plus it is decreasing, so I am taking minus, So 8 degrees Celsius plus minus 2 degrees Celsius will give me how much? 6 degrees Celsius. Now we'll continue doing it till I get minus 8, because it is asked at what time the temperature will be 8 degree below 0. So we have to calculate till I get this one as minus 8. So let's do the remaining part. Now let us see, like temperature at 3 p.m. will be, if you subtract, you get 4 degrees Celsius. At 4 p.m. it's 2 degree. At 5 p.m. it's 0 degree. Then again at 6 p.m. it is minus 2. But we need as minus 8. So we'll continue doing it. Let us see now. Temperature at 6 p.m. is minus 2 degrees Celsius. At 7 p.m. it's minus 4. At 8 it is minus 6. And at 9 we have got minus 8 degrees Celsius. That is 8 degrees Celsius below 0. So what time? At 9 p.m. we get the required temperature. So we'll write down the statement. So see here, and therefore at 9 p.m. sorry for this, the temperature will be 8 degrees Celsius below 0, that is minus 8 degrees Celsius. Now we have another part of the question. What it is given, what would be the temperature at midnight? Now we know that it takes 12 hours to be midnight, after 12 noon. Okay, so change in temperature in 12 hours will be how much? We know that at every hour, yes, the temperature decreases by how much? 2 degrees Celsius. So between 12 noon and 12 midnight there are 12 hours. So we can write therefore change in temperature, this is for the second part. We can write as now, change in temperature from 12 noon to 12 midnight will be how much? That is 12 hours are there, into it is decreasing, so it's minus 2 degrees Celsius. So the temperature difference is this much. So what will be the temperature at midnight? The initial temperature plus the change in temperature. So therefore the temperature at midnight will be how much? Is equal to, it will be the initial temperature of noon was 10 degrees Celsius plus now I got it is as minus 24 degrees Celsius. 10 degrees Celsius plus minus, if you will subtract this, minus 14 degrees Celsius. So what will be the temperature at midnight? It will be 14 degrees Celsius below 0. So let's write down this. So let's see here, the temperature will be 14 degrees Celsius, or you can directly write minus 14 degrees Celsius. If you write minus 14 degrees Celsius, you will not write below 0. Okay, when it is below 0 means it always comes in the minus, so we are writing below 0 at midnight. Okay, so that is question number 5. Now question number 6 and 7 you have to do as homework. Okay, that will be your homework. Students, you try as homework question number 6 and 7. This is very simple. Okay, the statements are there. Whenever it is decreased, you remember you have to subtract it and put a minus sign in front of the given thing. Okay, and if you have any doubts, obviously I'll help you in the next coming classes. That was this. When you finish these two sums, that will be the end of your chapter, that is integers. You are given several assignments and worksheets for your better understanding. So I hope you have understood till this part, and we'll see in the next class. Thank you. Have a nice day.